Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the cool way to factor out quadratic expressions. We have example 1 and example 2. Here, put down here solution. We come down here with the question 6. X squared plus 17x plus 12. To factor this out correctly within some seconds, what you need to do, you multiply the leading coefficient here by the constants, and we have this 6 multiplied by 12. This will give you plus 72. Now look for two possible factors of 72 such that when you multiply, you give you plus 72, and when you add up these two same factors, it will give you plus 17, which is the coefficient of x. Then now, so let these factors be plus 8 and plus 9. Note that there are other factors of 72, but you're looking for those one. When you multiply, it will give 72. Then when you add up, it will give you plus 17. Now, if you have gotten the factors, the next step, open two brackets like this. Now, this is x squared. Insert one x here and insert another one here. The next step, introduce each of these factors into each bracket. You can decide to put 8 here, plus 8, and here plus 9. Then, here we have the leading coefficient of 6. Then divide each of these factors by 6. Divide here by 6, divide here by 6. Then right here, 2 will go here. We have x plus 8 divided by 2, that will give you 4. Then 6 divided by 2, that will give you 3. And the same here, we have x plus 3 will go here. 9 divided by 3, that will give you 3. Then 6 divided by 3, that gives you 2. Now, what you need to do, multiply this 3 by x and multiply this 2 by x. Then now the expression becomes 3x plus 4, and here we have 2x plus 3, and this is the required expression. Now if you multiply this out, you get this exactly. Now let's consider example 2. You still consider the same approach here. When here we have here 24, multiply this 24 by the constant here, which is 9. Then we have 24 multiplied by minus 9. And this will give you 24 multiplied by minus 9. This will give you minus 216. Now you still apply the same approach. Look for two possible factors of 216, so that when you multiply out these factors, you give you minus 216. Then when you add up, you have minus 6. Now so let these factors be 18 and 12. But you want it in such a way that when you multiply it out, you have minus 216. Then when you add it up, you give minus 6. Then you attach a sign to this. Let this be positive and let this be minus. If you multiply it out, plus 18 times minus 12, you get minus 216 exactly. And if you add up plus 18 plus minus 12, you have minus 6 exactly. Then now, open two brackets. This is x squared. Insert one here and insert another one here. Then introduce each of these factors into each bracket. You can decide to put here a plus 18 and put here minus 12. When here is 24, the leading coefficient, then divide each of these factors by 24. We have here divided by 24, here divided by 24. When reduce this fraction here, we have here x plus 6 will go here, 18 divided by 6, that will give you 3. Then 24 divided by 6, that gives you 4. When here you have x minus here 4 12 will go here, 1. 12 divided by 12, that gives you 1. Then 24 divided by 12, that gives you 2. Then now what you need to do, multiply this 4 by x and multiply this 2 by x. And you have here 4x plus 3. And here we have 2x minus 1. And this is your final answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.